Hey guys, how's it going? How to customize Roblox game spawn points. So first of all, you need to launch the Roblox Studio and open your game project. Next, add your spawn location. Go to Model tab at the toolbar and then click on Spawn to insert spawn location object into the game. You can add multiple spawn points by repeating these steps. And then next step, positioning. So move each spawn location to your desired location in the game world, and you can adjust the properties such as size and orientation in the properties panel. Next, customize settings. Select the spawn location and modify its properties in the properties panel, and set allow team change on touch to allow players to change teams upon touching the spawn point if applicable, and change the team color to set the team that spawns from this point if you're using teams. Next, click the play button to test your game and ensure players spawn at the correct locations. And then after making your changes, remember to save your game, and now you have customized spawned points in your Roblox game. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.